Hello, beautiful family. Welcome to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Puerto Rican nutmeg. This nutmeg is made of strawberry, but it's called Coquito de Fresa. I know that you guys are going to love it and enjoy it for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious coquito de fresa, nutmeg, strawberry. This is what we're gonna use. We need strawberry extract, coconut cream, coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries. It really doesn't make a difference. And rum. Of course, you could use the rum you have at home. Any kind is fine. But this is the traditional rum they use in Puerto Rico to make this delicious coquito de fresa or strawberry nutmeg. This drink is perfect for the holidays, perfect to enjoy it with the family. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start here with the strawberries, and I'm only taking the green part off. I want to make sure that I start with the strawberries because we're going to rinse them first. Once they are nice and rinsed, then we're going to chop them in very small little pieces or in 4 pieces, and then we're going to take it to the stove. We want to infuse our strawberry nutmeg with this strawberry. You guys are really going to love this Puerto Rican nutmeg. It comes out delicious. The flavor of the strawberry is so intense. And of course, I'm adding strawberry extract. That's going to give it such an amazing flavor. I added half a cup of water, and I'm just going to let it cook for a couple minutes in medium-low heat until the strawberries are nice and soft. When the strawberries are nice and soft, then I'm going to smash them really good because I want the strawberry to release all the delicious flavor into the liquid. It's already nice and bubbling, and now I am ready to take it and put it through a sifter. Remember, I didn't add any sugar to this. This is going to be just the flavor and the sweetness of the strawberries. And here I'm just gonna sift away. This is gonna take maybe 3 to 4 minutes until I get all the delicious juices of the strawberry. Look at this. You want the strawberry coquito to be really smooth, but yet you don't want any seeds of the strawberries. That's how your coquito will last in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. It really comes out amazing. This is a very delicious nutmeg. You need to make it. You need to try it. I have the strawberry extract that I am going to add here. But of course, if you don't have the strawberry extract, you could add vanilla extract. But this takes it to another step, to another level. It gives this coquito an amazing flavor. You need to try this strawberry extract. It really comes out amazing. It gives your baking sweets such a delicious flavor. The color is very concentrated. Look at this. It really changed the color of the liquid of the strawberry. Now I am completely ready to start showing you all the ingredients we are going to need. Of course, I have the coconut cream, the coconut milk, the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, and to this I am going to add some rum. Of course, the rum is to taste. If you want this coquito to just, if for your family, for the kids, for the adults, don't add the rum. Just enjoy it as is. But here with my family, I'm making 2 batches. I'm making one for the kids and one for the adults. And I am ready to start adding everything into my blender. I want to make sure that everything really incorporates all those delicious flavors, incorporate with each other. And the rum, I'm adding it at this moment. The strawberry mixture, look at this. It smells so delicious. I hope you guys were the intense smell of the strawberry. Well, now this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pour it here because look at it. It's nice and liquidy, but after it's been in the refrigerator for 1 hour, it's going to get really thick, really frothy, and you guys are going to love it. Well, now that I have it here in this cup, I'm going to transfer some to my glass container because of course I'm going to take it to my family. We are all going to enjoy it. Look at this. Make sure that the glass container, it's disinfected, it's very clean, and remember, it's going to last in your refrigerator for at least 2 weeks. The reason I'm saying this is because it doesn't have any preservatives. It's made at home and it only lasts 2 weeks. Of course, that if you love it, of course, it's going to last you for just a couple days. But this comes out amazing every time. And in these containers, they will not spill free. You make sure that you put it in your bag and you take it with your family. But now I'm ready to add this to my glass because I can't wait to enjoy it. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of whipped cream right on the top, and I'm going to garnish it with the fresh strawberry. I know that your mouth is watering. You need to try it. Believe me, it comes out delicious every time. And just with a little bit of whipped cream, perfection made at home. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious strawberry coquito, strawberry nutmeg that I know you guys are going to love. This recipe is from Puerto Rico. I know you guys are going to love it. After it's been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, it's nice and creamy and nice and thick, and you need to enjoy this. What I've been missing. This is just perfection made at home. And of course, I am ready to take some for my family. This drink is perfect for the holidays. I know you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Happy holidays from my family to your family. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.